Greetings, Benjamin J from BENZTRAINZ with another in the series. Well, a follow-up on that Lionel 8040 that arrived today, and pulled the motor out and got it good and lubed. And it's actually in almost new condition. It's had very little runtime. Anyway, while I had the motor out, I added a light bulb, or a headlight, to the shell. And I've got the locomotive in neutral, and as you see, we have a good bright headlight. So anyway, getting ready to take it around for its first test run. I just got this reassembled. Flip it over to forward. Let's see how this goes. All right, 50% power. And we have a working headlight. As you see, that's actually running quite well. So the 8040 had no headlight or provision for one. So I might add a epoxy lens to it. We'll see. Anyway, I just got it assembled, so I'll just run it a while, make sure it's going to work with no problem. Like I said, I've got the light bulb actually wired to one of the brush springs. The nice thing about this, of course, is a common bulb, and it uses the same bulb as the marks. So really simple to change this. Anyway, it was a fairly easy project to install a headlight in this locomotive. And it works. Really, really simple. So anyway, I just want to do a quick follow-up video. Pulled the motor out, lubed it, and it was really dry. And like I said, while it was out, I went ahead and added a headlight. Put it in neutral and turn the power back on. As you see, it works actually quite well using a standard E10 base bulb, so I can just reach in and replace it if I need to. Anyway, a really simple project, adding a headlight to the Lionel 8040 locomotive. Like I said, I might put an epoxy lens in this. We'll see. Anyway, just a quick follow-up video. As always, if you have any questions, feel free to drop me an email, benztrains@gmail.com. And as always, thank you for watching.